Nice fresh sea bass for you today. Gonna show you how to fillet. You're gonna need your fillet knife, optional scaler, and fish pliers. First thing we're gonna want to do is remove the scales. A couple ways you can do this. First way is with the back of a knife. Creates quite a mess in the kitchen though, I would not recommend. I would use a scaler, and when I'm at home I actually scale the fish underwater. It manages to catch all the scales and save the mess. You'll find scales a year later if you don't do this method, I promise. So we're just going to start filling the sink up. Fish in a colander, secret technique, helps catch all the scales in the colander and keeps the scales from going everywhere. As you can see, when I managed to drain the water there, the colander's caught a few, but the sea bass was too big for my colander in my kitchen, so I actually just started scaling it just underwater. You can pick them out afterwards, so either or. Just focus, make sure you get everywhere the knife's going to go, you want to be scaled, otherwise it'll damage your knife, it'll ruin your fillet. Just makes sense to get rid of them all now. Now we're back at the table, we're going to cut around the head and just underneath the bottom fin there where I'm pointing out there. Just in one smooth motion. Next one, you're going to turn it round, and you're just going to cut the back to the spine. One smooth cut all the way around, and take time to open that nice and neatly. Open it up till it's just free of the spine, and pop your knife over the spine and up high and just take it up to the rib cage. Helps free the meat on the other side of the fillet. And then you're going to want to go in and poke through and then just bring it down. And there you go. Free except for the ribs. Show you a nice alternate angle for this to help you if you're struggling. You know, it was the part I struggled with the most. There's it from the bird's eye view, I'll show you it from side view now. If these videos are helping you, I'd really appreciate the subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel off the ground. Hopefully be able to get better equipment, better lights and stuff if you seem to like this kind of thing. Now the ribs are off, just straight through and release the fillet, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Just right up the back again, but starting from the tail end this time. And then just taking our time opening that up nice and neat. Same again, once it's open, straight through and down. And then nice and easy with the ribs. Where you see the blood mark there, just honestly just tip of a knife, just tiny bit. And then I'll just shaving it down. Perfect. Now we're just going to take the time and trim our fillets down so they just look more presentable, look nicer, being honest. gristle or blood parts or just anything that doesn't look appetising or appealing. Now we'll grab our fish pliers and we're on pinning, taking the bones out. I actually noticed a wee yellow mark I wanted to trim off here, so you'll see me do that first. Just once again because it didn't look very appealing. And then just pulling the bones out, nothing exciting to say about it, just takes a few minutes. That's done, I recommend giving them a wee wash, come back looking a wee bit better. And that's us. Seabass filleted, thanks very much for watching, take care.